All right, guys, this is how you clean your cap trick. We're gonna turn the water on. We're first gonna soak our cap trick, and we're gonna get all that dirt out of there. This is a nice pre-soak, getting all that dirt, sweat, grime. Get it all out of there. Now we're gonna add your favorite liquid soap straight to the fabric. When all that dirt is out of there, we're gonna work the soap in and clean it. Once the soap is nice and soaked in, you can get the soap out of there. Once all the soap is gone, we'll squeeze the excess water out. Give it a shake and a nice dry. And you're ready to go.